Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. Okay, so we talked yesterday. We've been talking for a little while about how we need to test the daily mid-band, either as a function of time or as a function of price that needs to occur. You can see that it is occurring last night into today. 2768 is your daily mid-band. It also locks up with the hourly mid-band. So you've got longer term stuff with intermediate term stuff. You've got volume weighted average price at 68. All time frames are converging on 2768. Okay. We traded as low as 64, 61, 62. We popped up to 76 on some news out of the ECB. We're coming back currently to retest 68, and they're trying to bounce off of that. So a move up over 76.25 today that could potentially, get up and over the daily pivot, has a little bit of room back to run, maybe back up to retest the 9-day from underneath. So this is the most time we've spent below the 9-day in calendar year 2019, very easily. So on the hourly chart, we ended up in a couple of really nice shorts yesterday. 19 handle day. You can see the daily midband here, 68. You can see the hourly midband coming in to meet it. You can see what's trying to happen here. Move up, retest, higher low versus here, and then you try to take it back up to retest this high. The 9-day comes in at 89, so that would be right up and around here. Now, if they can convert it, if they can break it, if 68 holds and you lose this low, you get another leg down. So look, I'm long right now against 68. Okay. We're long. We got our risk out. We're trying to figure out what 68 wants to be, but I'm ready to get short if I have to. I am ready to get short if I have to. But you have to try this kind of a retest of daily mid-band, because if the bears do bear things, then this is where they create the higher low. This is where it breaks up and through. This is where all that bad stuff happens. So, but on a conversion, I'll just get right back and continue on with the short that I had yesterday afternoon and last night from 83 quarter, and we were short 87 earlier in the day. So, I have no problem being short, but if it's going to contest this area and you're going to be testing it from above, you have to try it as long and make it show you it wants to be resistance, and then you can take it short. So this is a very important day. It's a day where we figure out our absolute baseline. Are we buy dips? Are we sell rallies? What are we? What are we? We're going to find out. Okay, I'll be out on Instagram Live 9:20. Check us out. It's in about 15 minutes. Come in, check us out. Come trade this stuff with us. You trade this stuff every day, you need to be in here with us. You need to be in here with us. I'm talking to you. All right, take care. Trade them well. I'll see you at 9:20. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.